Hey guys, and yeah, just welcome to another live stream. Today we're gonna be looking at what happened on Bitcoin. Just what happened on Bitcoin. Let's go open up our XO so we can actually review what happened. Let me just move this here. Very interesting. Let me fix this up here for you guys. So, can you just do fit in here? And how am I gonna do that? Okay, that should be perfect. Okay, so this let's look at what happened here and if you should be shorting or not. I mean, not right now. I'm not in any trades right now at the moment. So over here, so as you can see, Bitcoin came down. I mean, first came down to our 40K support, went up, came down, did a nice little swing failure pattern, got all the stops out. Then after that, it broke out. And to see if it was bullish when breaking out, so when it first came down, this was all on like negative open interest and stuff like that. After that, surge started breaking up, open interest started picking up. As you can see, volume coming in, big volume, just around here, big volume coming in while open interest going up. Just big volume just coming in slowly, slowly, and that means there's interest buying at these levels at the top, and that means you cannot be shorting when there's interest buying at these levels. Yeah, I mean, big volume here again. This was honestly on short squeeze. A lot of people were probably most likely shorting here around $41,800. Squeeze them out, stop them out, get all the stops around 4,300 naked point of control, which already got tapped, and give a nice little, not even little, like a big trade to be honest. I mean, it wasn't too big, but it was still like a decent drop. So it was around like 1.5% around there, even probably a bit more, 2% if you go a little bit down. But yeah, I mean, for now, it is neutral. I am honestly still looking for higher at the moment. It does look like we can be breaking up much higher, probably to like around here, maybe a swing failure pattern on a previous weekly high, or there's another. I mean, there's naked point of controls above here around 43,800 with the daily. So overall, 46K is a big level as well. It has not been tapped yet so far. I mean, if it does go up, that is overall target is 46,200. But for now, I mean. Should you be looking for longs here? I mean, nope, not at, I wouldn't be entering any trades at the moment. I mean, if you do get a retracement around, let's find out what's probably the next best retracement. So around here would be with the daily level and 4,800 area. If it does come here, based on reaction, you can enter a long. But overall, I mean, I'm not really looking for anything. Okay, go. So, yeah, I mean, Bitcoin, I wasn't really aggressively trading Bitcoin. I mean, I was just trading altcoins. That's, just high. I mean, pretty high leverage times 20. I mean, just fairly high on altcoins. I mean, they're already volatile as fuck. So, I mean, yeah, that's what I was trading with spare change and trying to grow small accounts to high accounts, high amounts. So, as you can see, let's review Ruin. We did mark out these yesterday. Came down, beautiful bounce to the dot, absolute dot. I mean, I was expecting a bit lower, but honestly, you don't get always, right? You have to trade it based on reaction. Came down absolutely to the dot and went up, retested this level, and it pulled back up to the top of this CC pull. So, I mean, yeah, as you can see, I mean, these are all like given trades and insane amount of insane bounce. I did take this in spot as well. I mean, I sold it a bit early around here, but it did take the highs over here. I mean, I could have waited, but it's totally fine. Still a winning trade regardless. You don't need to overthink if you do sell early. I was like, oh shit, I missed out. So this trade out wave, which I gave in the general chat, right here from here, insane 4% drop to the trend line, held the trend line. You could have long day stop loss here, and insane bounce to the previous day high, which is like 17% bounce back to back on Ruin and Wave. So these two coins are honestly insane. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, Ape, I don't really like trading coins that just recently came out. It's because of the volatility and how volatile these coins really are, and you can also get wrecked if you don't know what you're doing. So, I mean, when it first came out, I didn't really enter any trades, to be honest with you guys. I waited for a range to form and then pulled a fib to the low of this move and of the week app, I guess, weekly week app, and it came up. This was a fib area, and beautiful reaction off the CC pole. Could have entered here, stop loss above. I entered around here, with the naked point of control right there. Yeah, and this is where it dropped another beautifully 12% drop. Like that's insane. Insane. Even times one, like 10%, even times two, like 20%. I mean, that's very like insane moves on this on these on these small coins. Like yeah, I mean, like um you know, yeah, that's pretty much it. Give me a second here. Let's look at yeah, I'm honestly currently in a trade short on this. So let me put some alerts on Bitcoin, the levels I want to trade at. Probably a swing failure pattern up here. So actually, let me pull a fib here to see how will this of the low of this move currently. So yeah, I guess this would be the resistance. I mean, if it breaks this, I'm looking for higher. But for now, yeah, I think we could get a retest or maybe even go higher, take out all those people that shorted up here. So I mean, support from here would be around. I mean, I guess let me see. Yeah, so yeah, so that would be the I guess a local CC resistance at the moment. If it breaks above, I'm looking for higher. So for now, we're just gonna be patient, and just have our alerts set, and then trade it based on reactions. Ash crap, it's a wrong alert. Just remove this. Right there, I guess we'll have an alert, and a bit below right there, we'll have an alert. So whichever way breaks, I will trade it based on reaction. Let's look at Ape. I just love this coin. How volatile it really is, and I love trading volatility coins. So, I mean, bottom of the move to the top, that would be the support for Ape if it does come down. And let me see here. So yeah, I mean that is a big support, to be honest, like a very big support. I mean, bottom of the move to the top, previously high. I mean, for currently it is holding weekly VWAP. Don't I mean did it really get the stops? It didn't get anyone stops, so people have longed here. So I think it could come down, maybe do a swing food pattern, go up, or lower it is. So just gotta be patient here now, to be honest, and do not rush any trades at the moment. Um, yeah, I mean, just gotta be patient. I mean, I guess like can't really rush these trades. You know what I mean? Never rush these trades. Let me open up XO here. See if Ape got Ape got listed on. I mean, it did get listed on Bybit as well. Binance. You can't really see the trades for some reason. I mean, not what am I saying? You cannot see the coins. Most of the coins on Binance, which is available for XO on what you call it on. Yeah, Ape got listed. Perfect. This is insane. Like, okay, so we can be trading Ape right now. Wow, this is very insane. Uh, Jeez, are you serious? Wow, this is amazing. Give me a second, boys. Let me just pull up some templates here to see Ape. Some of the coins. I mean, I guess Ape doesn't really have much data to play with, right? So, I mean, but yeah, it's a very interesting point of control right up there. 13.41. 13.41. Yeah, so there's a point of control right there, 13.41. If you might come back up, retest that before actually dropping. Yeah, so I mean, EXO on EXO desktop has a lot of coins that you can trade, but EXO web, I mean, EXO web doesn't have. I don't know why they don't. This is some weird shit, to be honest, in my opinion. I don't know why they don't have that type of stuff. Okay, so 41,387. Let me just mark these single prints as well, right? So 41, these are tapped, so actually good. 41,387. Single print here, come down, maybe give it like a nice little support bounce. Point of control is at 4450. Yeah, at the moment it doesn't really look like it's gonna come down. Let me just look at the template. Yeah, and open interest is going up as well. So, I don't think so. To be honest, I'm trading this. This is insane, but I'm just honestly looking at Ape. at the moment. You know, open interest is honestly going down for it as well. Okay. Yeah, I mean, Ape, there's not much data to be honest. This is why I don't trade new altcoins, but you know why not? I'm just having fun with you know, spare money. But let's Ruin is very interesting as well. You know, let's pull some fibs on this bottom of the move. Uh, Bottom of the move to the top. Nice little support here. I mean, probably come down, retest, and go back up like before. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, I don't see why Wavy's all. I mean, Wave or Ape is holding this area. I mean, yeah, it is support, but didn't really take any stops, right? Like, I mean, okay. Yeah, honestly, anyone that had stop loss there, just there, didn't really get stopped out. Even here, didn't get stopped out. I mean, could be just squeezing to make it look like it might actually fly, but still, this is a zone. Honestly, I'll be looking for a long. Probably it's another 14% drop. I mean, that's insane. Yeah, I mean, at the moment, you just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient, to be honest. And see how this plays out. Let me just put some alerts here. That levels I want to trade at. Probably up here and down here and down here if it breaks this area. So, for Bitcoin, I got my alert up there and alert down here. Yeah, I mean, now we just gotta be patient and see how this plays out. I mean, you know, if everything new happens, I will come back and update you guys. At the moment, I'm neutral at the moment, and waiting patiently for the next best trade. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you enjoy the rest of the stream, guys, and I will be back soon. guys, welcome back. Uh, Looking at this, I don't think shorting here would be honestly pretty nice. At the moment, OI is going up with volume going up, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna reject there. To be honest, it could squeeze through it. Um, let's see how this plays out actually. Yeah, so we'll have to see, to be honest, what it does. Let's take this. Okay, so 42. Yeah, around this area, I mean, we'll have to wait and see how the reaction in OI is once you get to that level. At the moment, I don't see reason to short at the moment. OI is going up quite significantly, so yeah, I mean, let's see how this all plays out. I mean, it's getting closer and closer. The moment it gets there, I guess we'll just have to see and trade it based off the reaction. On the other hand, ETH is building up right above the revamp. Depending on how this candle closes, I'll just close in my trade and look to try to re-enter at the top of the range. To be honest, so yeah, I mean, oh, insane rejection at 900. I mean, I'm not really entering here, to be honest, even though it could go down really hard, but I still want it a bit lower, to be honest. Maybe if you pull it to here, this will try to go down. But, this is where the most for us. So, wow, insane drop, insane drop. Alrighty, that's like 0.5% drop. Oh, I went up. A lot of shorts are opening up here at the top. Yeah, I'm still thinking it could actually still go higher, so I'm just gonna be patient and wait for those levels to actually hit before entering any trade at the moment. So just gonna be patient and see when they hit. So I'm just gonna be focused on ape at the moment till those levels hit. So ape. Okay, let's see top to bottom. Yeah, ape. It is. I guess local CC, for ape, I guess. Maybe go from top to low. I guess, build up. Don't really find it intriguing at the moment. Yeah, I mean, just kind of rejected to the trend line, I guess. I mean, if it closes below VWAP, I'm really losing all my interest in it. But like I said, Bitcoin, I'm not really looking for sure here, at least till top. So, oh crap. So yeah, my music is still on. Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for reminding me. So at the moment, what I was saying, let me just repeat everything I said. I'm not really looking for a short here. As you can see, I mean, a lot of shorts are opening here. A little bit higher, maybe, or even, swing failure pattern of this high. So yeah, I mean, if you got that, then I'll enter a short. But at the moment, I'm just gonna be patient and wait for ever levels to hit. Um, yeah. So at the moment, just ape is, I'm just trading ape with not much more. I'm just having some fun with it and see if I can quadruple my small account. Well, yeah, Wave on the other hand, insane bounce. Like I mentioned on the yesterday trend line, beautiful bounce. Even if you missed the bounce, you had the chance to get in at the SEC for another 20% bounce. Ruin on the other hand, perfect. This is where we shorted the yesterday when I was showing you guys. This was on the top of the CC. Came down for another like a 20% drop almost, then back up for another 20% bounce right off the CC. Simple level to level trading. I mean, just have a simple stop loss below a C for the wick and just kind of have a soft. I don't really put a stop loss when I enter. Like I have a soft stop loss, like monitoring the level at the moment. And if it's actually lost with a clear rejection, then I just enter a stop loss or just completely get out, right? There's no point of holding a trade that's already fucked. So, um, yeah, I mean, at the moment we're just gonna be patient and see what Bitcoin does here. And maybe if you can hit over CC up here or even go higher. I would want it to go higher, but at the same time, it is Bitcoin and you don't always get what you get. So we'll see how this plays out. Then we'll enter based on the reaction. So let's see. Let's see how this plays out. And yeah, I mean, do 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 do. I mean, it could honestly reject here as well. I mean, but at the same time, I just wanted to tap that beautiful golden level before actually, or maybe even go higher. I mean, the higher would be the best one, best trade. Get it like in a swing failure pattern, to be honest, or something around those lines. For ape, and if any of you guys did get in when I sent it, yeah, this would be the honestly big target for ape, a big support here, to be honest, for ape, like really big support. At the same time, there's no data on this coin, so none of this is financial advice at the end of the day. So trade whatever I tell you, trade on your own risk, as I won't be held liable for any of your guys' lost money or whatever. So trade on your own risk and do not over leverage and just have good risk management. Take losses when needed to take losses. So that's pretty much it I can tell you guys. I mean, nothing. Ooh, wow. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I still want Ape to once you take that liquidity, I guess. That liquidity, the double, triple bottom liquidity. Still wants to go higher looking like overall. I mean that bounce alone right now from the bottom was 4%. And that's actually insane. Like when you actually think about it. Um, insane bounce on. Oh, so it does look like Bitcoin actually rejecting here. Very interesting. But we just gotta be patient and see if we can take the highs. That would be honestly best. Get them all the shorts and then do a swing for pattern and dump from there. So, okay, but let's see here. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. You have our alerts, breaks, we'll trade on reaction. Breaks down, we'll trade on reaction. So that's pretty much it. And enjoy the rest of the stream, guys. Let me just put some I just put some, I guess, some music on here. Like, where is the sound? 114. Okay, all right. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hello guys. Welcome back. For now, Bitcoin. I mean, I still want probably here or maybe a bit higher. To be honest with you guys, yeah, I could dump here. I'm not entering here anymore. I mean, Saudi missed a move. I mean, there's like, I guess if I do enter here, I mean, 0.3%. That'd be a 3% loss if I do get stopped out. But you know, uh. Yeah, definitely going to enter here. I'm probably wait for a bit more higher before entering. Wave on the other hand, just straight squeezing to the moon. Probably go hit here maybe. I mean, depends if it can even get past this level or around the trend line, which is it is currently rejecting off from at the moment, like I've told you guys. Um, yeah, I mean, I even mentioned this before. What is a what is this move would be around here? It's around here. I guess it is front running it. I mean, um, hmm. Yeah, beautiful rejection of the trend line on wave. Bitcoin on the other hand still holding. Um, at the moment. Uh-huh. Do, do, do. Okay. Yeah. Don't really see anything actually. Anything at the moment. I'm just being patient. I guess till it hits that. Then we go from there. Ape on the other hand just getting absolutely demolished. I mean that move just right now down was like around 3 point. That's a 4% drop. Like what the this is exactly what I mean. Like you cannot be trading coins that are this volatile. I mean that just recently come out, right? There's no data on these coins that you can be trading off. I mean, I guess you can be trading off these ranges, but I mean overall, like it's a free roam to the fucking moon. So you gotta be careful when trading these coins. I mean, a ruin, you could be trading this beautiful bounce off the CC to the dollar, wave. I mean, even here when I was gave the short initial bounce, came up, rejected a little bit, came to the VWAP, but not really touching the VWAP. That's usually bullish, and you just know it's most likely going to break out. Even in just a lot of retests they actually this coin gave before actually launching to the absolute moon. So I mean. Uh, yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, you be patient, just have alerts. For now, ooh, looks like Bitcoin might be going down here, to be honest with you guys. Um, oh, wow, it does look like it front ran our level, uh, very beautifully, actually, if you ask me. If it does go down, it goes down. We look for lower and to enter a trade. I mean, if you miss the move, you miss the move. Can't really do anything about it, to be honest. It is what it is, and it is what it is. All right, let's see how the wave plays out, and then we go from there. So Yeah, enjoy the rest of the stream, guys. These are my levels. I mean, that I want to trade at. Probably most of you come down here for single print trudge, or maybe previously equilibrium overall, to be honest. Or best would be around the CC. Big support, right here. If you can hold this level, looking for a much higher, to be honest with you guys. So, let's see how this plays out, and yeah. Alrighty, boys. Look at a beautiful CC pull around here. Beautiful entry at the moment. I'm not really. Let's see here. Is it showing that I entered or no? Come on, man. You gotta show this. At least my entry up there, right? Let's see. I mean, yeah, I did enter actually here at the CC poll. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction. That was as you can see, that was the reaction we were looking for. It pulled back up. We'll see if it loses a deal daily open. We'll just get out. I mean, yeah, at the moment I'm just scalping probably till the high or the top of the range, and then we go from there. So at the moment, we just have to be patient now and see how this plays out, right? So let me see, where's my OBS studio here? Let me see if you guys can see. Oh, huh. Um, got a little bit lower here, so you guys can you guys see my entry phase? Oh, that's interesting. Hmm. Okay, whatever. It is what it is. Let me smooth this a little bit down. God damn it, bro. It's just hard to. Okay, so as you can see, beautiful reaction of the daily open interest going down. A lot of shorts are opening into support. I guess this is the point of control of this range, and a CC pull at the bottom and held to the dot. Let me just put some alerts on. Actually, let me just put some alerts on here because I can't be focusing on multiple things at the same time. It's kind of too much. So yeah, so let's look at it once again. Going down. At the moment, it is a scalp until it's not. So at the moment, we're just gonna see how this plays out here. Quick times. Can put a local fib here, I guess. Probably till a little bit above VWAP. If not, if this is lost, I will get out. But this was, I guess, is a good trade in my opinion. You know, because it is a CC pull and right above daily open, a bit below daily open actually, and it held. That was a good reaction that we were looking for with negative interest going down. A lot of shorts are opening in here. Um, Probably thinking that it might go down further, but at the same time, you have to trade it level to level. So I guess I don't see any reason for us to get out of this trade at the moment. We'll just stay in. Wave is currently my breakout. Maybe till around here, then you can put in control. If not, it is still at resistance, the trend line, the uptrend line for now. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Do, 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 why does it not show my full entry here? Give me a second. Let me fix this up a little bit, guys. Maybe if I can go. Oh, so it does look like it honestly could get lost. But this is part of the trading, right? You don't have to overcomplicate it. So I mean, it is what it is, part of the game. Um, you know, I guess it was a good entry, but if it's lost, I guess it is what it is, and we just take the loss, and simple as that. Okay, let me uh, just around here, good entry, stop loss here. If it gets lost, it gets lost. If not, you look for a bit higher to enter, but at the moment, or lower to enter along. But for now, I am long from this level. Um, yeah, I mean, there's honestly nothing to it. Then you be patient and wait for the levels to hit, and then you just go from there. Uh, Honestly. There you go. Much better now. You guys can actually see the whole thing, entry and the margin I'm using. And yeah, I mean, wave. Let's look at wave. Yep, currently wave is rejecting off the trend line as well. I mean, multiple trading here. Yeah, you can honestly could trade multiples, but at the moment on wave, I am what you call it, short on wave. I am short on wave from the CC. Um, yep. So where is Bybit? Okay. Alrighty. It is currently we're still rejecting wave. I am looking for lower for wave around like most likely probably around 11.9 or 11 to $10 around there for a next potential entry. So it does look like Bitcoin might get lost here. If not, I still want to like it to take the highs at least. It hasn't even taken the previous day high. Like, wait, what did it? 42. Wait, no, never mind. I'm fucking baked right now. What I was saying is, I wanted to at least take this high, just not previous to high anymore. This is like doesn't really matter at the moment because it's a new day, new day candle, new daily candle open, so that would be the previous high from yesterday. Um, yeah, I mean, it could go down from here. Yes, it definitely can. But at the moment, you just gotta trade it level to level, and if level lost, it is what it is, and that's part of trading. And you just get out, you just take the loss. Simple as that. Simple as that. Do, 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 do. Yeah, so it is a daily open at the moment. Wave, on the other hand, might be breaking out. Let me just look on EXO for Wave. We have to go on EXO Desktop for Wave actually, because there's no Wave on not Wave with the for Ape. I mean for Ape, there's no Ape on EXO Web. I mean I rather use EXO Web because it's just much easier and more faster, I guess, in per se. But at the moment, naked point of control at 13.9 for waves around here. I guess 13.9. I guess I already tapped it, but not really. It's around here. Still under resistance. Single prints around at 12.9. Um, single prints up. Okay, that's all the support it held, huh? Single print. Okay, I'm pretty sure it has been tapped. So if it breaks down, I guess there's not much support below. So we don't have that much data, right, on this altcoin at the moment. So all right, let's look at Bitcoin. A beautiful bounce off the CC. I mean, I guess if this will be, I guess it could range just around here. Ultimately, it'll probably go up here, and then that's where we would take our profits. I mean, you know. Do, 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 do. Okay, let's see here. So, I mean, if this level lost, we get out. Simple as that. I mean, not really complicated, just be aware if the level's lost, why would you keep holding the trade, right? There's no point of holding the trade if the level is clearly lost. You just gotta take the loss, man, and just move on and look for the next best trade. But at the moment, we'll see how the VWAP reacts. If it breaks the VWAP, that's great. We look for higher, and that's it. So this is exactly mean. So over here, I missed the trade. I mean, it did front run the CC, but we're like, okay, we're not gonna aggressively short. We waited for the next best setup, and we got in at there. So, what is going on here? So I mean, if it breaks up, it breaks up. So we'll see how this plays out. Whoa. Okay, let me. Why is my music not playing in the back? Actually, I'm just gonna play some music. Oh, damn, bro, it's playing on my other speakers. God damn it! I was like, yo, where's the sound coming from? Where is my Bose headphones? Maybe this one. Okay, bet. I think it should be play good now. Okay, so we're gonna wait on the close of this candle. And look at that. It is looks like it is losing this level. So this is why I mean it's best to always wait. And we're just going to be patiently waiting here. And it does look like it is losing this level. I mean, we're just actually going to wait here still. It is still in the CC support. So if you see this fall back down, I am most likely going to close this position and get out. So that's it. Simple level to level. I mean, you can always look for the next best trade. Um, you know, nothing. Oh crap. Okay. I mean, nothing really complicated here, to be honest. Um, so I am going to actually be patient here. You know, still at support at the moment. If lost, we look for lower. Um, yeah, still rejecting daily open at the moment. Let's go look at our XO, how it looks like. Um, actually, why do we have XO? We can close the XO next up here. So, I mean, they're still, I mean, shorting here. I guess still haven't been absorbed. Good amount of volume. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna wait honestly to be honest, and see how this plays out. At the moment, I'm not looking to close this trade at the moment. Let me just put some alerts here. Ooh, let me put some alert up there. So it claims that level, and we just gotta wait now and be patient. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Nothing complicated about this. Just be patient and see where it goes. Oh, yeah, I think it could fly now. This is why I said be patient, and so you actually the whole level lost, and oh, god damn it, my alert was a bit too close, because I am monitoring, so there's no, god damn it, that should burst in my ears. So, we are just going to be patient here. Does look like it is still getting lost. Wave on the other hand is actually, not, wave, ape is actually breaking out. We don't really need to put that on here. I mean, uh, because I am monitoring this as well on the side. I mean, so I'm not really in a big position for ape, just just scalping on high leverage or max leverage. So just having fun with small amounts. Wait, did Bitcoin just drop? Yeah. So as you can see, Bitcoin just did lose this level, and we are going to close this out of this position. Actually, wait. We're actually going to put a stop loss now right here. Soft stop loss at 41,665. Um, and if that's lost, we'll just get out and we'll take the loss. I mean, it's not a big loss. I mean, 1% average. It's something that if you can handle it, I mean, it is what it is. We have closed this position now. We've gotten out actually. It is what it is. We have yes, it could honestly hold it, but now I'll look for the next best high probable trade. No need to actually risk our profits. So, it is a 1% loss. I mean, this was ever invalidation. Always have a good invalidation. We're not entering in the middle wherever invalidation is really far. Yes, it could hold here now from the looks of it, to be honest. It is what it is. Now we look for lower, probably around here, the single print or the previous monthly value area low, which will be around. Let me just go here. Open up. Yeah, so previous monthly value low will be around here. So if this level holds, yeah, that would be our next best entry. So at the moment, wave is looking like it has claimed the upwards trend line. So yeah, so around here would be our on see our next best entry 41,539. So see, you just gotta know when to take a loss and when not to. Um, right here, it does look bearish looking at XO as well. I mean, it's still above support in my opinion, but this is I guess shorts are driving this price down at the moment. Let's look at Ape. Oh, see that as you can see, just still pretty technical. At the end of the day, I mean, it's lost. It's lost. Very volatile coin though. Very volatile. Like in my opinion, like gotta be very careful trading this coin. Cannot be goofing around or just and not taking losses. Do not play big with big amounts in this coin when it's this volatile. Wait for it to calm down. As you can, Bitcoin currently it is rejecting at the moment. So guess this CC becomes Minnesota. I mean, we have to remove that. No point in having that now. It's a new low for it. Yeah, so we look for lower, and based on reaction, we get in then. So, I mean, yeah, it does look like it is coming down, but uh, we look for. We're not going to FOMO in here now. I mean, we got one entry. We're not going to re-enter and then get wrecked again, right? So we have to wait for the next level. So because this it's level to level, right? You guys stopped out. You guys stopped out. I mean, it's not a big deal. So it is what it is. So I mean, um, yeah. See, for now it is holding the support at the moment. Okay, yeah, it does look like it has held this support. Okay, so now what we are going to do is not enter, still not entering, till I actually see a confirmation email. It's actually going to hold here. I mean, still below daily open. So, okay, let's put some other alerts on here. I guess get all these stops that logs that I built up here, stop them out around here, then go up from there. So. Second eight does look like it is going back up. So my stop loss, at entry. I already taken most of the profits. I'm just growing this, scalping this coin is just incredible. I mean, in my opinion, it's just a lot of just back-to-back trades on it. I mean, it's 9% bounce already. That's insane from the bottom of this drop. Alrighty, so we got our alerts here. Then so next alert will be around here, and then we see whenever alerts hit and how that plays out. Then we just trade it based on reaction, and we don't follow in on anything. We just trade it based on reaction. And for now, looking at ape, still, I mean, I guess we can just wait on the close of this candle to see if we are going to just fully sell or look for higher or not. So I mean it's yeah I mean it's not really that complicated to be honest. Looking at Bitcoin is currently yeah Bitcoin is currently rejecting. Imagine we FOMO in and then wrecked. So this is why you gotta always be patient and you know, wait, I guess, for the next level. If you miss one level, if you miss one level, I mean, it's no big deal. I mean, you just gotta wait and see how it plays out. Alrighty, so I mean, alrighty, so enjoy the rest of the video, guys. If anything happens, I'll update you guys. Um, but it is currently in support at the moment. Bitcoin, if it does if it does come around here, I will most likely enter a small position. And if it gets lost, we'll close it. So yeah, I mean, we just lost 1% so far. It's totally fine. And then we look for our next best entry. So for now, let's look at this. Alrighty, so let's go on EXO here to see. So it does look like it is getting lost at the moment at this level. Um, Shorts going in there. Alrighty, we're just gonna wait. Be a little bit more patient here. So I mean, I did get in. We'll just see now. So I mean, if this level gets lost now, we'll just get out. So, and for now, I am in. It's currently holding the bottom of the CC. So I've re-entered in this position actually. But if this level gets lost, we look for lower. So I mean, my entry is pretty good. I mean, it's almost at the bottom, like around here. I mean, almost at the bottom. So, alrighty, looks like it is looking like it is breaking out. So, I mean, previous trade we lost around $600, and we've already made that back. So this is, this is what I mean. So, you're not gonna FOMO in. You stop out, you mark it out, whatever, and then you just look for the next best entry. We saw a hold here. Good reaction. Even looking on Exo, there's a lot of on-sea shorts opening up at that region. So you can also confirm this here. It's gone by as template. I mean, yeah. So 6 million shorts. Longs getting liquidated here. Um, Shorts getting liquidated at the top. So for now, just a little bubbles here. If this level gets lost, it gets lost. Then we look for lower. Simple as that. Let's go back up to our chart champions template here, and yeah. So we're just gonna be patient now. I mean, if this gets level gets lost, it gets lost, and we look for lower. Simple as that. I mean, now let's see how this plays out. I mean, I'm gonna press some alerts here. And alerts right above daily open, and then we will see how that plays out. And whichever alerts hit, we will trade it. We will close our position based off that. So, alrighty. So it does look like a kind of sync flow pattern in the daily open. I mean, let's look at our profits here. I mean, not really sync flow pattern. Some hmm. Alrighty, let's see here. Where is this? So it is currently rejecting off the daily open, looking like, I mean, there's still. Wow, look at that crazy retest breakout, breaking up now. Probably to Naked Connect Control 14.526. Um, and that would be honestly our, I guess, next best entry, to be honest. So, ooh, what the hell? Okay, let me just turn that off here. Alrighty, boys. Simple level to level trading. Alrighty, so it does look like, I mean, it closed below daily open. I mean, that's not really a good sign. We'll have to wait and see how it actually closes here. Then we will base our decision on that. If you're to close the full trade or leave some open. Ape on the other hand, just absolutely flying. So top of the move, bottom, kind of broke all of that. So you see it actually top of the move to the bottom. So it is currently at resistance. If this gets broken, look for higher. If not, look for lower. So currently, as you can see, it is rejecting it to the dot. I mean, this is nothing is new here, to be honest. These are all given trades. I mean, in my opinion, I mean, like these are easy, simple level to level trades. I mean, just pull a CC from the top to low and look for a reaction. I mean, not just a CC, right? You need other confluences in that level. I mean, this is a range. I guess this will be the point control of this range. Just been rejecting here as well. So these CCs are not just random pulls. Yeah. So as you can see, Bitcoin is breaking out. Um, Beautiful entry, I guess. Beautiful entry. And yep, so I just need this to actually go down now. Or yeah, I'll break up. So back to this here to here, I guess. Or even at the bottom of the move with the daily VWAP as confluence. If it breaks that, it breaks that, and we look for higher. So let's go back on Ape. At the moment, it's still under resistance. Big, I mean, it's still, we'll have to see if it can claim this level. Then based on that, we will trade it. Let me just put an alert here. Oh, see that it could not claim daily open, and yeah, I mean, it could not claim daily open. What just hit my alert? Yeah, I mean, that's a very interesting sound. And do, 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 do. So, as you can see, beautiful rejection of the CC for ape. I mean, still not, still in the CC, so it could come down, retest this area, then go back up. But at the same time, we'll have to see our reaction of this. If this breaks down, I am ultimately very bearish, and I'll be looking for much lower, possibly around here to probably like another 20% drop from here. So, I mean, this is the bottom, so that's another 10%. That's very interesting. So, beautiful rejection of the CC. For ape. Um, yeah, so now I'll be back in a bit, guys. Actually, I'll go, go do some other things. I'm gonna put some alerts here and put some alerts actually a bit below this, and see based on the reaction of this. So I'll be right back, guys. Hopefully this doesn't. Okay, perfect. It didn't just go off by itself anyway. So yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Enjoy the rest of the stream, guys. And if anything happens, we'll come back if any of my alerts hit, etc., etc. And we then go from there. So let's see. So we're back. Enjoy the rest of the stream, guys. So here, as you can see, I honestly closed my position right after I saw it losing this level. Now I just had to even out. There's no point of honestly holding this trade. If it does go up, it goes up. It's totally fine. I'll look for the best the next best entry. So it is what it is. So at the moment, we'll have to see. As you can see, this honestly, broke out. That's not a reaction we're looking for. Came back down. It's currently still in this area. I mean, it could reject. Yes, it could go down. But at the moment, I lost interest in it at the moment. I do have my entries around here. So if it got stopped out, it got stopped out. But at the moment, as you can see, it does look like, I mean, even if you're looking, let's change our time frames here. Actually, let's go on like probably 30 minutes. I mean, even. Uh, Honestly a lot of longs there. I mean, there's a lot of longs being built up, much more than shorts. So that's one of the main reasons why I actually closed this. I mean, look at this insane amount of longs. I mean, compared to shorts, I mean, there's just more longs here overall. I mean, so that's why I closed out of this entry. There's no need for me to hold this entry when I don't need to. Um, you know, as you can see, this is kind of trapped. So. This is yeah, I mean, this is a clear rejection right now. It's happening right now in front of our eyes. Um, yeah, so that's one of the main reasons why I closed out of this trade. I mean, now good. I guess 1.2%, whatever the trade was, evened out. Yeah, and now we look for the best, next best entry. Most likely, honestly, it will not be around here, to be honest. From the looks of it, it is looking like it might honestly go down. Like it could go. I mean, these areas, yeah. I mean, these are good supports, but at the same time, it could go down. I mean, look at this. Wave right below the CC. Now, if you, I guess you can wait for. I mean, not wait. I keep forgetting the name. The sound is similar. So, wait for the retest. Then enter stop loss at the top, and simple as that. Um, yeah. So this honestly does not. I mean, does look like it might actually go down. Jesus, man, this alert is just so loud because I have my headphones on. That's why I guess. Yeah, it does look like a perfect sell, I guess, in my opinion. When you gotta see these, see these weaknesses. I mean, yes, it could go up, but yeah, at the same time, we'll see how this plays out. Goes up, it goes up. It's totally fine. Whatever. You look for higher or look around here. Maybe to get squeezed, take the highs before actually going down. Same time, level to level, nothing crazy, nothing hard about this. Simple level to level trading, and as you can see, it is breaking down. I mean. Yeah, so I set my alerts here and my alerts up there, and then now we see based on reaction, I'll trade it based on reaction. So let's see how this plays out and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Ready? I mean, no, it does look like it is coming down at the moment as well. Like I said, I'm not really interested anymore. After a lost daily open, beautiful retest of daily open, and confirmed, I guess. I trapped it. So, so we are going to be patient now and see if there's any other trade on any other coin at the moment. I mean, not really interested in. Wow, insane bouncing on these altcoins today. Oh, there you go. It is losing this level now. Next interest, I guess, around these areas. I mean, pretty much went through all the way low with the single print as support. So we'll see how this plays out, and then we'll trade it based off reaction. So yeah, I mean, nothing really going on. Like I've clearly said, that was my thing right here. If you cannot claim it, then it's better to just get out and even out or whatever, or just take the profits. Yeah. So there's a lot of longs being built up here. So we'll see how which way this goes now. We will have to see now. Hmm. So let's look at this one more time before I'm actually just going to go off now. There's no point. It is this whole rise right now. It's going up with negative open interest. That means it's whatever people that shorted here are getting squeezed. Most likely, I am still looking for lower. Ultimately, around these levels, based on the reaction, you don't always need to get to the bottom. Wicks up, wait for I guess another confirmation. Then the second candle, you can get in, have a stop loss at the wick, I guess, and then look for higher. Or if there's no reaction, if this level is clearly lost. There's no need to enter probably till previous to equilibrium. Let's see how this level holds. If not, this is where the CC is, and that is where I'm actually most likely going to be interested in a long. So, yeah, that's about it. I mean, yeah, so there's no, I mean, see, right now it's just going up with negative open interest, not a healthy rise right now, to be in my opinion. So, yeah, again with ape as well. I mean, trade the range till it breaks. If you can clear rejection of the, I mean, it could hold the trend line, but still below the CC. I mean, it's not going to respect the CC to the dollar on like these Bitcoin is and stuff like that because Bitcoin is a more technical. A lot of big shares are in it. I guess they are trading it properly. So, but ape is it's just a new coin. I mean, I'm not really just this is trading ape is not. I'm not recommending it because it's a new coin, right? So I do not recommend that. So even for ruin, you can mark these levels out. Single print here with even here. I mean, these usually give like a nice decent bounces. Um, there's some. This is where the support was. This give a nice bounce. I'm not saying this will give the same bounce, but trade it on reaction. And yeah, same for Wave, beautiful CC here with the naked point of control and even on X. I mean, on even on trading view with the chart champions part one, NPOX and rest of the day-to-day levels template, not template indicator. You can clearly see there's a naked point of control there, and with the CC lining up nicely. So that can give a nice, beautiful reaction, but traded based on reaction, and that's pretty much it. And hopefully you guys enjoy the stream. I mean, there's nothing really going on. I mean, hopefully there was some more action right now, but I guess you don't always get action on Bitcoin all the time, right? So it is what it is. For now, I guess the only trade I would be looking for, in my opinion, um, would be, I guess, I mean, not any trade at the moment, but if you, I guess, were to, I mean, it is at the bottom of the range, so I mean,